Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to set price alerts on the MEXC mobile app. To set up price alert on MEXC, open up the MEXC application and make sure that you are signed into your account. After you're inside the home page of MEXC, go ahead and tap on the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen to browse the available trading pairs. From the list, select the trading pair you want to monitor. I'm just going to tap on BTC/USDT. After choosing your trading pair, look for the bell icon at the top right corner and tap on it. In the pop-up, tap on Enable. In order to enable price alert, you must also enable notifications in order to enable price alerts, so make sure to tap on Enable. And it'll then take you to your Allow Access page where you'll need to tap on Notifications and tap on Allow Notification toggle button. After you allow notifications on your MEXC app, you will then be able to see this interface. Now tap on Add Alert at the bottom and then enter the specific price at which you want to be alerted. And once you are done, go ahead and select the frequency of the alert. It can be one time or repeat. After choosing it, click on Create Alert and you have now successfully enabled price alert for a chosen trading pair. Soon after the alert is set, you will receive a notification when the token reaches the specified price. So that's how you easily set price alert on MEXC app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.